Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make a top, and the materials to use, we're talking yarn. You will need a hook. For this case we are going to use a 3.5mm hook. So let's get started. So start with a slip stitch, and by now I believe you know how to make a slip stitch. You will chain one like this. After making a slip stitch, now start making chains. This is chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. So keep on making chains. I'll tell you the number of chains that I've made. I've made 130 chains. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a panel. In this case we will need 2 panels. So the first one, this is how it looks. I hope you can see well. It is not yet done. So you are going to make 2 panels according to the size you want, and I'm going to tell you the number of rows that you will need. So after making 130 chains, this is what you are going to do. You will add one more. After making one more chain, we are going to go to row 1, and the stitch that we are going to use is double crochet. So you will yarn over, go to this first chain, make a double crochet. This is how you make a double crochet. Yarn over, go to the next, make a double crochet. Yarn over, go to the next stitch, make a double crochet. This is what we are going to do for row 1 until you have 130 double crochets. So keep on working. I want to meet you at the end of row 1. So guys, I'm recording this without even electricity. If you have watched my latest lifestyle video, I think you will understand. So ensure that you have subscribed so that you will support me and you will not miss my vlogs. Let's meet at the end. I tell you what to do. So guys, after making 130 double crochets, because it is raining, I want to tell you what you are going to do. So to turn into the next row, you are going to chain 1 and then you turn your work. After turning your work like this, to this very first stitch here, make a double crochet. You move to the next and then you make a double crochet. You move to the next, you make a double crochet. So this is what you are going to repeat until this panel ends. So I'm going to tell you the number of stitches that I made. If you will wish, you can make the same color or play along with different colors. So for me, I reach a point where I'll add another color. Let's meet at the end. So I have 2 panels and I ended up making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I ended up making 18 rows for the 2 panels. You can see I played along with 2 different colors. So I have 2 panels. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to put stitch markers so that I can identify where the neck is and the armholes. You can fold this into a half like this. Also fold the other part, the other panel, to be like this. For the neck, we are going to have a V shape. So let's put our stitch markers. You will count your stitches from bottom. So let's count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll tell you where I will put the stitch marker. Count stitches from bottom to top. At stitch 40, that's where I will put my stitch marker. Also count 40 stitches on the other side. Put your stitch marker there, like this. After putting your stitch marker, do the same on the other panel. Put the stitch markers. Put also the stitch marker on the other side, like this. Now, after putting the stitch marker, what I want you to do is to join these two using the slip stitches. So join this front side, go to the bottom, front loop, and then back loop on the other panel. Make a slip stitch and then chain one, like this. After chaining one, now make slip stitches until where your stitch markers are. So move to the next front loop, back loop on the other side, make a slip stitch. Move to the next, make also a slip stitch, like this. Keep on working like this until you get at the stitch marker. After doing this, do also at the back panels, and then we will go to the armhole. So keep on working. Let's meet at the end. So I made slip stitches on front, then also back. Then for the arms, I marked where I wanted my arms to be. Then I did also slip stitches from bottom to up, both sides. So because of the struggles that I don't have electricity, proper lightings, if I need to add anything else, I'll put part 2 of this top. So for now, ensure that you have subscribed because more tutorials are coming. If you like this top, give it a like, also subscribe, and you can also share. So from here, what you're going to do, you're going to weave in all these yarns that are remaining. After weaving in, then you turn your top. You can also cut if they are too long. After weaving in, turn your top.